Okay, so video number 5, and we're doing TopK Frequent Elements. Okay, so for this, let's read the question. Given an integer array nums and an integer k, return the k most frequent elements within the array. So basically, there's an array and there's like a bunch of numbers, and you have to return, and for example, the k here is 2. So we have to return the top 2 most frequent occurring numbers in the array, which is 2 and 3, and we have to actually return them in an array and not just be like, okay. Anyways, um, this is again a LeetCode medium. Okay, interesting. Okay, what can we do here? Okay, we can create a hash map, and we can just start counting the number of elements in the array, and like keep their count in the hash map. So for that, again, I'm just gonna create again, I'm so bad with naming hash maps. And for num and nums will be seen, num is equal to, what am I getting wrong? Scene dot num get num 0 plus 1. Okay, so here again, what we did was we went through all the num and nums, and we if the num don't, like, we try to get the num, and if the num don't exist, it returns 0, the value of num, and we just add 1 to it. Either ways, I mean, we add 1 to it. Then what we can do is, once we have a hash map like this, like 2 is, there's like, for example, we take this question, and what we did is we just created a hash map like this. Yeah, pretty easy. And k is 2. So what we can do now is we need to extract the maximum count. So I'm just going to declare a array, and we're gonna append for num comma count in scene array dot append count comma num. So what we did now is we create an array, and then we have like multiple arrays here, and we just, like, for example, 2, there are 2 of 2s. So now our array contains 2 2s, and we have 3. Why I don't know why this is such a bad example for this. Okay, we'll take this example. We have 2 of 7s, so the count comes first, and there's a reason why we want count to come first, is because when we sort the array, the array will be sorted from the first position. So, for example, for this sum, if there was like two sevens and like there was only one eight, for example, 1 comma 8. When we sort the array, like it will be like this. Like one will come because one is smaller and we're sorting it ascending order. In the so this the array will be sorted like this. Um, and then when we start popping the elements, we can pop from the back. So we can just like start picking out the most frequent elements. Okay, so we're gonna start popping after sorting the array now. Let's sort the array real quick. And result, we're gonna declare another array to store the pops. And gonna be result dot append array dot pop, and we're gonna pop the first position. I mean, yes, first indices and the second position, not this position, because as I said, our array looks like this right now. The count comes first, and then the number comes, and we have to return the number and not the count. And we're gonna create, oh, I forgot, yeah, we're gonna create a while loop for this. While array result length is less than k, we're gonna start popping from the back, of course, first position, and then we're gonna just return result. Let's see if this works. Okay. Scene dot values, right? Nine dot items. Sorry. Yes, sir. I was not able to explain this properly, but yeah, I hope. Yeah, just solve this. I think even this is supposed to be coming on interviews a lot. At least they tell me that. I mean, they tell me that for every single question. And I mean, I think we just need to, like, at least NeetCode 150. We have to be on point with this because I think it is the most referred problem list right now and has always been. Like, at least to get all your fundamentals in place and to cover the most questions in any interview. I think NeetCode 150, yeah, you just have to get it right. Anyways, see you in the next one. Peace. Bye bye.